What is up you guys, it's your boy and I'm back for another video. So, I am creating this video around 6 a.m. in the morning, but gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo guys yung one of the things na natutunan ko sa mga podcast and interviews na napapanood ko, no, na guys, it's very important na you like what you do. May it be sa trabaho, may it be in your personal life, or may it be a hobby. It's very important that you like what you do. It might not be necessary na ito yung pinapangarap mong thing for yourself, or a job for yourself, but it's very important to try opportunities that you will be falling in love with. It's very important to really explore your options because you truly never know. Maybe the success that you will be having in the future is not really coming from the job that you see yourself with, but it's really coming from a job that you learn to fall in love with. It's very important, especially these days, ang dami na nating options to explore, pero it's very important na you like what you do. Again, we all need money, we all want money, but it's also good to feel that you're doing something not because you're money driven, but because you're will driven, you love what you do. It's really driven from a purpose. It is really driven from the liking that you truly want to do the things that you are doing currently. So, ang sa akin lang guys is just continue exploring, and if you already found the job that you like doing, just keep on flourishing, because at the end of it all, nothing to lose, and we will all be hopefully successful in the fields that we have chosen. Yun lang.